Welcome to Zurich, where the streets are filled with delicious chocolate, stunning architecture, and picturesque views. Today, we'll be taking you on a walking tour that's off the beaten path, so get ready to discover some hidden gems. First stop, the charming neighborhood of Wiedeken. This area is known for its quaint streets, lively cafes, and local boutiques. Take a stroll down the cobblestone streets and soak up the atmosphere as you browse the shops. Next, we'll head to the bustling quarter of Langstrasse. This vibrant area is a hub for artists, musicians, and creatives of all kinds. You'll find colorful street art, funky cafes, and unique shops. Be sure to grab a coffee and people watch in one of the cozy cafes. After exploring Langstrasse, we'll make our way to the historic Old Town. This area is home to some of Zurich's most iconic landmarks, including the Frauenster Church with its stunning stained glass windows and the Grossmünster Church with its iconic twin towers. We'll take a stroll through the charming streets of the Niederdorf district. This historic area is filled with lively street performers, colorful buildings, and plenty of Instagram-worthy photo opportunities. Don't forget to pick up some souvenirs and gifts from the local shops, but we're not done yet. Our final stop will be the hidden gem of Lindenhof Hill. This park offers breathtaking views of the city and the Limmat River, and is the perfect spot to relax and take in the scenery. So come along with us on this off-the-beaten-path walking tour and see Zurich in a whole new light.